Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We are going over Hedera hash graph in this video. If you haven't seen the last price prediction for Hedera hash graph, we did make this downward channel and these support and resistance lines. We had this false breakout here, and it really just kind of came down and touched this trend line. Popped right back up though, and is now respecting the trend line. We do have a pretty high price target for it, but I deleted it, so you guys have to watch the video. It's going to be a short video, so let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and take a peek at some Fibonacci retracements here. Coming down, we have pulled back all the way to the 50% mark, but it respected and continued upward, so that is a good sign of a uptrend. So let's go ahead and use some Fibonacci extensions here, and if we go ahead, it pulled in between this 50 and 38, so our profit target is going to be somewhere in here. So that's exciting. That it's somewhere between 62 and 65. Okay, so we'll go ahead and round this up to 65. That's our price target for HBAR, 65 short term. Long term, this has massive potential. I think the market cap for HBAR is only like $2.5 billion. So we have huge potential in HBAR. Huge. Because to double it, it only has to go to 5 billion. That's crazy. But I'm super excited for HBAR, and HBAR has a bunch of things looking to it. I'm not a fundamental guy, but let's go ahead and take a peek at their website. So HBAR has all of these companies. Hedera is owned and governed by the world's leading organizations: Boeing, T-Mobile, I believe that is. I don't know if this is one company or if that's two different logos. Google, IBM, FIS, UCL, all of these. Standard Bank, Shinhan Bank, probably butchered that. LG, all of these leading organizations are partnered with Hedera, basically. Let's go ahead and take a peek at Hedera against Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, 3 transactions per second, average of $3, and confirmation in 10 to 60 minutes. Second generation is Ethereum, 12 transactions a second, an average of $3, and 10 to 20 seconds with finalization. Hedera, 10,000 transactions per second. Visa does 1,700 transactions per second. This is almost 10 times. Okay, it's almost six times basically as fast as Visa. And it cost 1/10,000th of a cent. I believe that's right. 10, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Yep. And it confirms in 3 to 5 seconds. Seconds. That's absolutely crazy. And this is out of this world crazy, because Hedera hash graph is the next leading generation of public ledger. Back to the chart, though, we are seeing a good retracement here. Let's go ahead and take a peek at a smaller time frame. We'll go ahead and look at the 1 hour chart just because we'll see what happens. We are in a downtrend. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the, Let's go ahead and take a peek at this. So we did break above this 50. I guess we could have done this level, because we didn't break above this, and we continue to come down. So if we take this level and this level, see, on the 1 hour chart, since 1 hour it's shorter time frame, it's not as confirmed because not as many people see it, and as traders, you want more people to see what you're doing. So whenever I'm looking to buy something or swing trade something, I always use the daily or 4 hour chart, just because more traders are looking at it than the smaller time frames. So the time frames we really have been on a downtrend for the past 3 days. I don't know why I came back to the daily chart. Let's go and take a peek back at the 1 hour chart here. We are below the 200 SMA. Ideally, we need to break above that and then find support before we can break up to this high of this trend line of around 37 cents, and then hopefully break through that, and then eventually maybe find a build up here, break out, find resistance back where it was before continuing and going up and testing. I believe this is the all-time high. And with that being said, that would absolutely That's not an all-time high. All-time high is at 46 basically. And then we have a price target of that 65-cent range, which is absolutely crazy because that would basically double it from where it is right now, more than double it. And a lot of people would be making a lot of money on Hedera Hashcoin. But this is the only beginning. The whole market's red. And besides Ethereum, so Ethereum is how it works. Altcoin season works is Bitcoin runs, Ethereum runs, and then the smaller altcoins run. So I'm really waiting for this, for HBAR just to kind of build up. I think we could call this an ABC pattern. I would like to stay above this 26.9 cent range and just kind of build up on this trend line until Ethereum starts to slow down. And once Ethereum starts to slow down, HBAR and most of the other altcoins are going to explode to the highs. Again, this is only short-term price target. HBAR is realistically close to a 3-digit coin, like if not a 4-digit coin, just because of how much utility this has. I haven't really even looked through their whole website. This is only the home page. So it's crazy at how much they're doing. Transactions per day, latency, yeah. Like, this is crazy. Join our teams of Hedera, healthcare, media, Telegram communications. Like, they have so much potential going for them, and I'm going to hold long term. I hope you guys found some value from this video. If you did, please subscribe. Helps the channel out a lot. And if you would help with the algorithm, comment down below. If you got any questions, if you like the video, just let me know in the comments what I can improve on. If you want me to make a video on anything, just let me know. I will respond to the comments. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.